we're Scott and Danelle, and this is Uprooted and Thriving, our bus. Come on in and take a look at it. This is a 2010 Thomas 5-window short bus. It's 22 feet in overall length, and 14 and a half foot of it's actually livable back here, so it makes it a 105 square foot platform. And in that 105 square foot, we managed to pack a California king bed because we have our 3 dogs and then 2 adults in it. That's pretty much, we built the entire bus around that. So my wife runs her soap business from the bus. We needed a ton of countertop space, so we ended up with roughly 72 inches, 6 foot of countertop on one side, and then my old snap-on toolbox got tore down, painted, and put on the other side as more countertop. And you can see she actually has some of her soap set up for this event, so people can come in and look at it. But everything in here is built to last 20 years. That was the build concept. If we get enough life out of the inside of it that we can get out of the actual chassis, I'm a happy man. So everything is 2x4 constructed, blue pine faced, and built as sturdy but simple as possible. We decided to actually go with one of the Dickinson heaters over here. So that's actually a yacht heater. They're kind of big in the van life scene and everything else. It's a propane heated yacht heater, and that's all we have. No insulation, just an overkill of a heater. And then we did go ahead and put in a full utility size sink. So this is a fiberglass sink, which I really wish I wouldn't have done. It scratches far too easy, but it is deep, it is compact, it is light, and it's worked out fantastic for us. All the components you see in here is pretty much off the shelf stuff, so you can get it at Home Depot and cut it straight in. Really simple build concept as far as the cabinets are concerned. We have just an open storage plant, so you just see food, pans, whatever. It allows you to pack a lot in, but it makes it easy for a novice to build. So all this is framework to the size that I wanted it, faced with blue pine. And you have simple copper 1/2-inch pipe for a curtain draw. That way absolutely anybody can build it. There's nothing special about this. There's no fine workmanship here. It's just sturdy, and it looks halfway decent, at least in my opinion. As you can see, we got our resident bed dogs. Underneath the California King, we actually have just a slide out Dometic, and that's the 95, so you can have the fridge and freezer in this one. It allows you to, we stay on BLM land for long periods of time, so it actually allows us to freeze meat and have a ton of food in a small area. The other design to it is our bathroom is actually underneath our couch here, which another great point is people spend a ton of money on custom cushions. We built this to take regular patio furniture cushions. So any Home Depot, any Lowe's, 24 by 24.
Changes the decor.
Pick 2 of them, you can change the color, you can do whatever you want. But underneath here, is where the head is. And it's a super simple design, just a piece of plywood. Underneath is just a box like everything else. Framed out, faced in blue pine, and a DIY composting toilet with a urine diverter. This right here is our pipe. It folds out. We have a removable shower pan that goes down. Riv nuts in the ceiling. Get eye bolts screwed into them, and you have a shower curtain right here. Hook up to your faucet, and you have a drain pan that goes out. So you have a simple collapsible shower.
Oh, very nice.
And then the charging station, right?
Oh yeah, it's set up with standard stuff. It's got a 1,000-watt inverter. We actually use one of the all-in-one units from MPP. 200 amp hour of battle borings in it. 400 watt of solar. We can pretty much do everything we need to do.
And it just fits right underneath our cabinet there.
So it makes it super simple. Even a layman can wire them in. And we just use a regular dual fuel propane cooktop. We plumbed it into a quick connect that goes to our 20-pound tank that runs the heater. So every time we get here, we just quick connect, plug it in, and every time we leave, we disconnect and put it away.
Very nice. Nice bus. Thank you for the tour.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure meeting you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great Skoolie. And in the coming weeks, there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another Skoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.